Black holes, portals to another universe. What if the universe holds gateways to other realities? What if black holes are more than just cosmic traps? Welcome to Planet Wonders. Today we journey into the most mysterious objects in the cosmos. Black holes. Some of the most powerful forces in the universe are invisible. Gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Yet, these cosmic giants may hide secrets beyond our imagination, secrets that challenge the very nature of reality. A black hole is a region of space where gravity is so intense that nothing can escape its pull. Its edge is called the event horizon, the point of no return. Beyond it lies the singularity, a point where known laws of physics break down. There are several types of black holes. Stellar black holes, formed from dying stars. Supermassive black holes, lurking at the centers of galaxies. And intermediate black holes, mysterious giants we are only beginning to discover. Black holes are born when massive stars collapse. Their cores shrink, gravity intensifies, and a black hole emerges. Some release faint radiation, known as Hawking radiation, slowly evaporating over billions of years. Yet others merge, creating ripples in space-time known as gravitational waves. These mergers are so powerful that they shake the very fabric of the universe, and for the first time, scientists can detect them here on Earth. Approach a black hole, and time begins to warp. Seconds stretch into minutes, minutes into hours. This is time dilation, a direct result of Einstein's theory of relativity. Objects falling in are stretched and compressed in a process called spaghettification. And yet, some theorists suggest that black holes may be more than cosmic destroyers. They may be bridges, wormholes connecting distant parts of space. Could black holes be gateways to other universes? Some physicists, like Kip Thorne, have theorized that black holes might connect to parallel realities, forming Einstein-Rosen bridges. While still speculative, the possibility sparks our imagination. Could black holes lead us to other worlds, other dimensions, or entirely new laws of physics? Despite their darkness, black holes reveal themselves. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole in the galaxy M87. Gravitational waves from colliding black holes have been detected, confirming Einstein's predictions and opening a new window into the cosmos. Black holes are both terrifying and mesmerizing. They are cosmic destroyers and perhaps cosmic gateways. They challenge our understanding of reality and hint at mysteries we are only beginning to imagine. If black holes are portals, what else is waiting for us in the universe? The journey continues here on Planet Wonders.